Hello everyone. Today's explanation is about the for next loop. This type of loop is useful when you know how many times the loop is to be repeated. Suppose you need to write an algorithm which gives the user exactly 3 attempts to enter their username correctly. You can assume the computer has the correct username in a variable called correctName. First, we're going to put in a variable called access granted the value false. So when the attempt is wrong, the access granted will be kept as false until the username is true. Then we're going to go to for loop. We're going to put in variable attempt number 1, 2, 3. It means that the user has only 3 chances to enter the username. Then we will go inside the for loop and put in variable username input, and between parentheses and quotations, please enter username. So input, it means that the user must enter a data. And please enter username will be shown to the user. So when the user enters his username, the program will check if the username is not equal to the correct name that it saved from before. Then the username variable will be inside it the input message that is going to be shown to the user, which is incorrect username, please re-enter. Here we are asking the user to re-enter his username. But if the username is equal to the correct name, so the access granted will be changed into true and the program will be finished. While if it's wrong, we will go to end if, then we will continue to next attempt. It means that the attempt was 1 and we're adding to it 1. So now the attempt is 2. For attempt equals 2, 2, 3, we will put in variable username the input message, which is please enter username. After the user enters his username, we're also going to check if the username is not equal to the correct name. Then we will change the variable username and put an input message to the user, incorrect username, please re-enter. And then we're going to get out from the if by writing end if and continue to the next condition, which is next attempt. We're adding the attempt 1, which is 2 plus 1. Now the attempt is 3. For attempt equals 3 to 3, which is the last chance for the user to input his correct username, we will put in variable username the input message to be shown to the user, which is please enter username. If the username is still not equals to the correct name, the continue will stop since the attempts are equal to 3. So the program will be finished. While if the username is equal to the correct name, we will continue to else in if condition and change the access granted, which is true. So now the user has an access to his account and the program will stop.